All right, guys, it's been a few days since I picked up this 2023 Gladiator behind me, and I've got a quick and easy modification or upgrade that we're going to be doing today, so stick around. Now, the first mod I did the second day after I had the Jeep is I went and ordered these orange stickers off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below, but they're $5 or $6, and these things just help dress up the Jeep and let people know you're ready to do the Jeep wave. Next, I got to looking around on Facebook Marketplace. I ended up finding a pretty sweet deal on a tonneau cover for the Gladiator. Got this thing used for $50, and it's in pretty dang good shape. The guy had a lease. He turned his lease in, didn't want to give it back with this tonneau that he paid for, so he sold it to me for $50. So that was an awesome score. We also installed some of these little cup holders here, little orange ones, just so it matches all the rest of the orange on the interior. Now, the whole reason you guys are here today is because we're going to be installing what's inside this box. Now, inside this box are some cold weather mats from a company called CARESA, C-A-R-E-S-A, and I'll put the link down below. But I bought these things off of Amazon, and this is not only a full kit of the interior cold weather mats for front and rear inside the truck, but also it comes with one of their bed mats that goes on the bottom of the bed, and it's nice thick rubber, and so it keeps stuff from sliding around in the back of your truck, which is going to be awesome. So let's get the box open. Let me show you what we got. All right, so fresh out of the box, here are the mats from CARESA. So you can see these are kind of like a hard, rubbery, kind of plasticky material. And these are very similar to the Mopar cold weather mats that you can get as a factory option. Now, my Jeep didn't come with those. It has just the standard carpet, which I'll show you guys in a second. But these are nice because, I've got kids, man. They're always spilling, all kinds of stuff, drinks, candy. And so these things, you can pop these things out, take them at the car wash, just hit them with the water and get them cleaned up real nice. What I also like about the back portion is it goes all the way across as one single piece, so you get that kind of extra protection right there. And then, of course, we've got the whole nice big trunk mat, well, bed mat, I would say. Now, I'm going to have my bed spray linered, so the plan is we'll get it, spray lined, rhino lined, or whatever, and then I'll still put this mat down on the bottom. All right, Camo, let's go, rip it. All right, so since these just came out of the box, and as you can see, they're a little bit deformed, I've just got them sitting here in the sun. I'm gonna leave them out, let them get flat, and then we can go ahead and install them. Now, what this Jeep came with, now if you just got a standard Jeep, you don't get the cold weather mat option. These are your just OEM mats here, and they just pop right out. They've just got these little clips. Boom, 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 easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and they're just carpet. All right, so sticking in the front ones, there ain't nothing to it but to do it. They go in kind of just like the stock ones did. So lay it in place, get it lined up, and then you're just gonna push down on these two dudes by those little buttons. That's it. So line them up, click them down. You can feel that one's in place. That one's in place too. Boom. Yep, it's locked. Yeah, oh yeah, baby. Boom! All right, so for the back one, again, this is just one piece, so slide this bad boy up in there. And same as the front, just gonna get it all pushed down onto these OEM factory pins. All right, so these things fit freaking awesome, and it's gonna make cleaning this back out a whole lot easier. You just rip this whole thing out right at the car wash, spray the crap out of it down, and we are good to go. Especially for us in the summertime too. We spend a lot of time at the beach. We get a lot of sand in the vehicles, and so this makes it a lot easier to be able to pull this whole thing out, get all the sand out too. All right, final piece of the puzzle. Should be the easiest one too. Now this guy just literally is just gonna slide in here. There's nothing holding it down or anything. Except, once it gets really hot back here, of course, this thing will lay down nice and flat. But the cool part is now this will keep your stuff from sliding all around. So with this on here, now you've got a bit of friction for stuff to push against. So every time you hit the brakes, all your crap's not going to slide all the way to the front. So that's going to be really nice. And it's going to help to keep the bottom side of our bed looking good for years to come, which is exactly what we want. Now, not only do these mats make the Jeep look cool, make it easier to clean them out, all that good stuff, but they're also pretty inexpensive. I think the full set of these for interior, plus with the bed mat, it comes as a whole set that you can buy at once instead of like 2 separate purchases, and it's very inexpensive. So again, I'll put the link down below. These ones are by CARESA, and they work really well. The install was great. They went in easy. If this video helps you guys out, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.